Hello everyone. In today's short video I'm gonna talk to you about the queen in chess. The queen is located for white on row 1, 1D right here, and for black on row 8, 8D right here. The way they are positioned is they are always on the same color when they start. So the white queen is located on a white tile and the black queen is located on the black tile. If you look at the way the queen moves, it is in either horizontal directions like this, or like this, vertical, or diagonally, like this one. It can move any number of tiles you like, as long as there are no other pieces in between. When we look at these dots, they represent the tiles it can move to in one turn. As you can see, this white queen can move towards this one and capture it on 8D. Also, the black queen can do the same. There are no differences. The queen is probably the most important piece behind your king because it is the most powerful. It is worth 9 points. It is basically a bishop and a rook combined, and therefore your most valuable piece. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, as it makes a huge difference in contributing to new videos. Goodbye.